Hi folks, welcome to Perf Mentor. It has been quite some time I made any videos related to performance testing or engineering on my YouTube channel. The reason being I was busy with holiday readiness testing during the month of November and December. And mid-December I went on a vacation to India, mid-December and January. So now I am back and I will continue to make videos going forward. And to make up for the lost time, so what I've decided is I have some private videos on SAP Performance Testing Bootcamp. So I'm going to make it public. I'm going to publish daily one video for next few days, and I'll keep this content public for next 2 months exclusive for my subscribers. So listen to those videos and enhance your knowledge on SAP Performance Testing. If you're someone who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would recommend you to subscribe to listen to these videos. Plus, I'm going to publish videos on the use of AI for performance testing engineering. I've built some great utilities in my project, so I would like to share some of those knowledge with you. So, like and subscribe my videos and enjoy your learning process. Thank you. Bye.